Yes, start. Being aggrieved and dissatisfied by the cancellation of the contract on 16th June 2020, this appellant start original petitioner has preferred a writ petition being WP C 3784/2020 with the following prayers and circumstances of the case. It appears that the present appeal has been preferred against an interim order dated 3rd July 2020 passed in WP C 3784/2020 whereby the learned single judge has declined to grant interim stop. However, the writ petition is pending before the learned single judge and the next date of hearing is 1st September 2020 para. Looking to the fact that the appellant has failed in providing the performance bank guarantee of 5,08,297 which was otherwise required as per the terms of contract, there is no prima facie case in favor of the appellant stop. The balance of convenience is also not in favor of the appellant as the work involved in the contract has already been assigned to another contractor by the concerned respondent authority stop. Moreover, no irreparable loss is going to be caused to this appellant, especially looking to the contractual aspects of the matter stop. In view of the aforesaid facts reasons, in our considered view, no error has been committed by the learned single judge while passing the interim order dated 3rd July 2020 in WP C 3784/2020 start annexure A1 to the memo of this LPA stop. Hence, we find no reason to entertain this latter's patent appeal and therefore the same is dismissed stop. In pursuance of our earlier orders dated 2nd July and 6th July 2020, counter affidavits have been filed by respondent numbers 1 and 2 stanza. Having heard learned counsel for both the sides and looking into the facts and circumstances of the case, it appears that several grievances have been ventilated by the petitioner about the safety protections to be provided to the nurses and other healthcare professionals working at private hospitals nursing homes, that is personal protection equipment start PPE kit gloves, masks, etc., as well as insurance protection under the Pradhan Mantri Garib Kalyan Yojana and facility of ex gratia payment posthumously stop. The principal contention raised by learned counsel for the petitioner is that nurses and other healthcare professionals working in private hospitals nursing homes treating COVID-19 patients are not being provided protective equipment and other facilities stop. He also submits that persons who are working in healthcare facilities, even if they are not assigned to COVID duties, should also be granted the same facilities and protection as they also run a significant risk of exposure to the coronavirus stop. He submits that such persons would come in contact with COVID-infected but asymptomatic patients approaching healthcare facilities for treatment unrelated to COVID-19 or come in contact with other healthcare workers in the same facility who are taking care of COVID patients stop para. It may be stated at the outset that in the present pandemic situation, utmost effort must be made by all concerned to ensure the safety and protection of all healthcare workers stop. the contribution and commitment of healthcare workers to meeting the needs of society at such a time, often at considerable personal risk, is indeed noteworthy and deserves wholehearted appreciation. Stop. During the course of hearing of the present petition, several suggestions were made regarding the measures which may be taken towards the goal of safety and protection of healthcare workers. Stop. The respondents have also addressed the suggestions in their affidavits oblique status reports. Para. One of the suggestions given by the petitioner is about the provision of a dedicated helpline number for nurses and healthcare workers of private hospitals and nursing homes to approach the respondent authorities to the event of any grievance. Stop.